Okay, cool. Now that we know, what we want to do, let's look at some more details. First about different pages and then overall site changes that you can make. So let's just click on the first thing they have over here is activities. So we can click on that and it will take us to that web page. They've here embedded a Google Calendar. And one other thing you'll notice, on all of these templates, it's going to give you a tip, how to replace this calendar. If you click on those, hopefully it'll open in a new tab or a new window. It's going to take you here and give you just some simple directions about how to make those changes. Close out of that window. So now that you've kind of seen a few of the different pages that they can have, and this is just a Picasa photo album. A great thing about that is if you are on your phone, you can upload your photos to a Picasa album and it will automatically update your website without you having to do anything else. As long as you set up this this embedded album into your site. So if you take a lot of photos or you would like to start, we can get you set up with that relatively easy. Picasa is basically Google's solution to Flickr. Flickr is owned by Yahoo, so Picasa is just Google's version of it. Okay, cool. So now that we've done some of that, next thing I want to do is look at create a page. So up here in the top right hand corner, you'll see a little plus sign and create page. Just click on that. It's going to let you choose which one you want to do. An announcement is kind of like a blog. You just keep a running announcement of what's going on in class or homework assignments or upcoming projects. Filing cabinet is a place to store various documents. I'm going to use that for the templates we use in our interactive notebook. A list is a good thing to have just for external links. If there's places you send your kids to often, you can put in a list and then that way they have an easy way to find where you want them to be. Okay, I'm going to choose just a regular web page. I'm going to name it lesson plans. And I'm going to put it on the top level. If I choose a different location, basically this just means that do I want to put my new page underneath any of these, or I really just kind of want to keep it under that one, under the main page. So I'm just going to select that and then click create page. Now it's going to take you to the new page, which is already ready to go. All you need to do is click in there and start typing. These are the lesson plans for the week. Okay, and then you can insert a table, or if you do your lesson plans on a Google Doc, you can insert that in there as well. So various options you have to put your lesson plans in. I think I'm good on that, so I'm just going to click save. Now it's going to save my pages. One thing you might want to think about doing is taking off this attachment and comments area. Now there may be some things that you actually want comments on, like if you're writing a blog about what you've done in class every day, it may be helpful to have students and parents comment on how they felt about the lesson or your choice of activity. That way you can change as needed. So all I need to do to edit this, if I go up here to the left and say more actions, I can say page settings. I'm going to close out of that. You can also get to that menu if you'll just hit the U key. U is an umbrella. Okay, so do I want to show the page title? Yeah. Do I want to show links to subpages? That's fine. I don't want any attachments and I really don't want any comments, so I'm going to save that. We're just going to discard the draft. So here you go, you can see I've taken off that comments and attachments post. Okay, in the next video we're going to look at more actions and overall site layout changes.